the next 30 years. I've always believed in magic. Not the kind with wands or spells, but the kind you find in unexpected places, a perfect sunset on the Seine, the sparkle of lights on the Eiffel Tower, the way Frank looked at me after 30 years as if no time had passed at all. We returned home different. Softer. Grateful. Paris gave us nostalgia. Santorini gave us perspective. And our family, our beautiful, generous, chaotic, loving family, gave us everything in between. Sometimes, love grows loud and dramatic, like a first kiss or a wedding ceremony under the trees. But sometimes, love grows quietly, in shared laughter over dinner, in spoonfuls of gelato, and in late-night talks on a terrace in Greece. I looked over at Frank, watching him sleep midair, and smiled. I could see us now, years from now, older, slower, but still chasing the next adventure. The lines in his face deeper than 30 years ago, the color in his hair changed, but the same spark still lighting his eyes. Love is different after decades. It's not fireworks. It's not drama. It's something more sacred, a knowing, a choosing. Over and over again. He had chosen me again. And I had chosen him. 30 years ago, I said I do. This year, I said it again. And if I'm lucky, I'll keep saying it every day, in all the little ways that matter most. To Frank. To family. To love. To every moment after this.